wanted to start today with something that I'm not particularly proud of. For a long stretch of my trading career, I was after a number. I cared most about what my win rate was. And it was the thing I'd have told you first 8 out of 10 times, 9 out of 10. Sit down at the end of a session, count the green days, and feel like a professional. And the whole time, the entire time, that number was really lying to me, and not just a little, but completely. Because here's what nobody tells you when you're falling in love with your win rate. How often you're right has almost nothing to do with whether or not you're making money. So let me show you what I mean. And it takes about 10 seconds. Say you win 80% of the time, and every time you win, you make $1. The other 20% of the time, you lose. And every time you lose, it costs you 9. 8/10 of $1 minus $1, 80 out. Let me just put it this way. Every place that you go, every site, every YouTube channel, even the ones that profess to be professionals will tell you that they've got a strategy that will win 90 or 95% of the time or 80% of the time. Man, that's like the holy grail. But the fact is, that is a canard. It is a lie. It was designed to get you interested in the strategy, that all you do is win. You never have to worry about the losses. The losses don't mean anything. There's so few of them, you never have to worry about them. Have you ever thought what actually, well, first of all, has there ever been anything in life that you've done that doesn't come with a cost? And the easier it is to get, the greater the cost is. That is just a fact of life, no matter what you do. If you go to the track, right? I don't know how many of you have been to the track, but if you do, you go to the track and say you bet on the horses. There's number one horse. What does it pay, right? It pays what? 5-1. You got to pay $5 to win $1. Why is that? Because a lot of people think that horse is a certainty. Now, if you lose $5, right? Now, let's say it's not just $5. Let's say it's $5,000. So you're putting on $5,000 to win $1,000. You've lost $5,000 because that number one horse did not make it across the finish line first. That's what you're paying for, the probability that they're going to be right. So when you're putting on these strategies, your particularly options are really dead to nuts, that if you put on something that has an 80% win rate, what that's giving you is 5 times you're going to win, 1 time you're going to lose. Now, in order to do that, though, you've got to pay. You always have to pay. That one trade is going to cost you $500 to win $100 or $1,000 to win $200. Now, in 0 DTE, most people are trading the iron condor. And the reason why they trade the iron condor is that they don't want to guess on direction. They are sold this idea that if you put on this very, very wide strategy, there's little chance that it's going to make it outside of that strategy and give you a big loss, right? And that is true. That's what the odds say. So they'll tell you that it's something like 20 delta, which works out to be about an 80% win rate. Or they'll say it's 10 delta, which is a 90% win rate. And so for that 90 delta trade, you have to put on spreads that cost you $900, and they give you about a $100 win. Actually, they cost you about $1,000, you get a $100 win.
Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you're interested in having the tools you need to become a profitable 0 DTE trader, check out the link in the description. Take care, guys.